What is going on, guys? It's me again, Manny at Manny Mod's Garage, and we got a demon hood we're about to install on my Hellcat. I'm excited, guys. I got my boy Diego at my job right now, sanding this thing down. He is blocking the whole thing right now. So do me a favor, stay tuned. I can't wait till you guys see the finished results. So the process is pretty simple, guys. It's not that bad. Basically, all I did was sanded everything down with a 320 grit, but we found out we had a lot of dents on this hood. So the hood came shipped properly. However, there's a lot of small dents on it. And what we did was, thank God that I work at a body shop. My buddy Diego, shout out to my boy, the one you just saw, basically sanding everything down, blocking the whole thing. He hooked it up, guys. And then my boy Frank also hooked it up, took care of my hood. We're in the process right now of sealing it. Next step would be the primer. Then after that, we're gonna do the paint, and then it's gonna look really good. So I'm really excited. Just very grateful that I got a good team here to take care of my car. So we're gonna keep on showing you the process. Next step, like I said, would probably be paint, base coat, and then after that, the clear. And then we're gonna be taking care of all the little issues. But huge shout out to my boy Frank. Thank you so much, Frank, for hooking this up. That's the guy, Frank. He's the painter. He's camera shy, but he's cool. He's mad cool. You got anything you want to say? See, he's camera shy. Chicken shit. Whatever. He's gonna be on my YouTube channel. This is the plug right here, guys. This is the guy. Okay, so he's gonna be pissed at me because it's probably gonna be like 3,000 to 4,000 of you guys running over here to get stuff done, and he probably ain't gonna have the time to do it. But it is what it is. We'll see what happens. It does. It looks amazing. Thanks to you guys. Check it out, y'all. Fresh paint. I gotta buff my car now. It looks so ashy. And my paint's not even that bad. But right now I'm just waiting on somebody. We're gonna adjust the hood. Make sure that the hood fits real good, which so far it does. It just needs a little more adjusting and more convincing to get everything, you know, somewhat. But I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I can't wait to clean up the whole car. I don't know, guys. Should I put the stripes on it or should I not? Big question. So we got the hood installed. We're just waiting to get some adjustments done. I'm very happy with the results, guys. It looks amazing. Shout out to my boy Frank. Thank you so much, Diego, for your help. And all the other guys, Mike, Lewis, all the guys, thank you so much for your help, guys. This has been an amazing journey. We finally made it. I got the aluminum aftermarket Demon hood installed in my Hellcat, done correctly and with all the blemishes taken away. My boy glossed the bottom of it as well, like a stock Hellcat or a Demon, so that it could look legitimate. And so I'm so stoked. I just need to get the finishing pieces put together. And the big decision is, are we gonna put the stripes back on, or are we just gonna leave it black? I don't know, guys. I'm kind of stuck on that. It's easy to take the stripes off. It only takes me about 30 minutes. But at the same time, I don't know what I wanna do. So stay tuned. What is going on, guys? It is me again, man, in my garage. And just like you guys saw in the thumbnail, a little clip earlier, yes, we are doing hood installation on the Challenger. So I'm going to show you guys a really quick tutorial on how to install this hood.